Boom. From when you see the face and you don't know it's LG, aka Chaz. Yeah? You don't know LYL Production. Representing for Richard Brown Films. Yo, wanna check out the new film now. Make sure you reach, like, subscribe, and share. Listen to me. I said this again because I fumbled a while ago. Like, subscribe, and share. Richard Brown Films, always ready, up and gunning. You see me? Check out the new film now. Ah, see it here, man.
Alright, boy, give thanks, brother.
Yeah. The sun must have out there.
Boy, give thanks. Hey, but here what going on now? What I need to really link about still is God know nothing not go on, bro. I not put it like some I suffer still, but nothing not really go on, brother. I'm tired of this dumb thing. Somebody can link you if you could make a link to one of your bridging them over nice business. I can get a work.
Well, if we're being honest about the situation, I know. Even though you see this nice house and settings, trust me, it costs some money for day in this place. Yeah. We'll make it work. And that's all I can say. We'll make it work.
So you say, because I kind of feel like you're straight from the topic, so now you can line up the thing for me, brother.
But now I got straight, man. You know, I was by my virgin one time, sometime last week, and he did say he was looking for somebody, you know. So which day you free?
Well, I mean, I don't, so I'm free every single day, so if you make a link, once you call me, I'm ready to go.
All right. So here what you're going to do. I want you to put yourself together, free up your schedule for, let's say, 2 days time, day after tomorrow.
All right, Friday.
Friday. And I'm going to make me and you go link the man and can start out a little work for you.
All right, you thanks, boy, but me not got Terry still, See?
That's all right, man. That's all right. That's all right. I understand.
But give thanks.
Hold on it. You know, say, we always wear the same size, though.
Nine, your foot bigger look like bigger than nine.
Oh, but we always wear the same size, man. Coming up, man, we always used to cheer shoes and all them something. You know, say, one of my sister them, they send on one clock to me and they hype on the fanciness about them shoes then. You more for them wear them things there. You don't feel like I'll give it to you.
Alright, give thanks, bro.
Yeah, man. It would have fitted to you that you can wear it for the interview.
Alright, give thanks. Give thanks.
Watch, I'm going to package it and make you get it. Alright, brother?
Alright. Package it up and me come for it tomorrow.
You want to do that?
Yeah, man, tomorrow coming on Terry.
Alright, then, cool.
Alright.
Wait, you're still doing that?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I bet you never guess who was out there just now.
Someone is out there.
Yes.
I didn't hear voices.
Really? Guess who?
Who?
Richie.
So you did ask him to be the best man? You didn't remember.
I totally forgot, but I got sidebar. He has a lot on his plate. Him just come to me depressed and he didn't want to work and the many things were going on with him. I just don't think it was probably even the right time to say anything.
I understand, but I mean, I got asked, right?
Yes, it's not like I have anybody else to ask.
So when you think of the best time?
I'm going to check him. I'm going to look for him, and when I go check him, you know, I probably buy him a drink and, you know, so I can ease the mood a bit, take him on off a little bit of things, and then I can ask him then.
Okay, because me don't plan to ask someone to, you know, to be the maid of honor. What do you think?
Yeah, yeah, man. I mean, she definitely, she would have, yeah, I'm surprised she's not even over here already trying to pick out the
Not
stuff.
true, based on how she stay. But I'm mega ask her, but me that wait for you for ask you first.
All right, so seeing as we're on the whole wedding situation, I was thinking, my auntie did actually ask me, and I feel like I want to tell her yes.
Auntie Katie? Hell no. No way. Remember the last time she bake, you know, she burn everything. Listen, we're not his Auntie Katie. We love Auntie Katie, but no. She's not baking for us.
Oh,
Don't be biased. Do not be biased. You know she not go. You know.
if you don't want her to bake the cake, you are going to have to be the person that to break that news to her.
Why and you she come to?
No. Even though she came to me, you're a relative, and you're the person supposed to be the deliverer of the bad
I don't
news.
want to fact is no issue because me need this to turn out right. Me gonna make sure know say it's a no for me. She not be she gonna mess up everything.
She is going to be mad.
And that's totally okay. She will get over it.
Papa Chief.
Yeah, David, man.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, man. Thank you for seeing me now.
Yeah, man.
Best friend, listen to Mr. Vassal.
Your best friend.
I'm a brother, look here, man. We are come from, we are children, like little picking primary school, kindergarten, we are come up. We share shoes, socks, everything. Yeah, man. No, you don't have to worry about the attire for right now, man. I gotta get him started out, man. Trust me, I'm serious about the work. I would have never recommend somebody who I don't believe is trustworthy and is capable of the job.
No. So, your name, young man?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, Richie, my boss. Richie.
Richie.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, man. Boss, I'm ready, you know, ready. Ready for the kind of work.
You ready to take on the work?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Why? I mean, don't talk to everything until they say, boy, I have a space still. I just want to meet the person. So, are you brethren, you say?
I'm a no, sorry. I'm a brother.
All right. And I'll take your word for it now because you may know you may come from way back too. But I don't really know him. But you're saying trustworthy and everything still, you know. I'll give him a try and so forth. But I don't know hard for you, know. I basic something you can start from scratch. Most people come here, I can want to and then get through and them know what they do. You understand me?
All right, boss. Thank you very much. You hear me, boss? Now let you down.
Make sure, boss man.
No, man. Trust me. Vouch for this, man.
Alright.
Yes.
All that more. Anyway, normally you know a little thing with that sign up and so forth, but when I go it that way then because of you, the girl not there, but just go on at the front and so forth. One next lady there will assist you. She say you know, just go there and she will tell you exactly and give you a basic and then you can link me back here.
All right, boss.
Yeah man. Alright? Cool. Oi. Everything cool with him.
Yeah, man. Brother. I owe you one.
More somebody still in there because the other boy I run this up to him. He wanna left.
Mhm.
The brown boy. Thief.
Jesus.
Christ, so you're saying good, see?
Just cool, man.
Alright. We really want somebody, but you don't know things. So.
Guaranteed.
Alright.
Honesty from this man.
Cool. So me call you. Yeah, man. Yeah.
And you know, say I never even did mention it to you.
Mm.
You know, so I talked to Sharika and she actually say yes.
Seriously?
Yes, man.
Boy, I think I'm all stepping over Jim.
Just cool, man. Yeah, man, she say yes, man, so you don't know.
Hey.
Me I put myself out there right now. Me is now a man for stepping on the track straight and narrow.
A big step, you know.
I know. And you know what?
Yeah.
You are the individual that I want to actually capture this moment for me.
Oh God, man. I don't know, say, man. You're good, man.
Yeah, man, because I trust you and believe say, oh, you will do the perfect job.
Yeah, man.
Memorable moments. I know say you can do that for me.
Remember, you know, man. Generations to come to look at it and so the work have to do good.
This is exactly what, and you know, funny, I never even did mention it to him just yet. Him are the best man, you know.
Him are the what?
Him are the best man.
Oh, yeah.
But when I say teammate, so this is why I help him get the job
Yeah,
so he can.
So you know, maybe best man because you want me work. It's alright still, don't worry yourself. Everything good.
You're playing your part.
No, man,
You're playing your part. So I feel like you fit for this part perfectly.
Yeah, man, don't worry
Because I not trust nobody else to do it, you know.
Alright, no
So
problem,
you
man.
believe in her.
Your memories are preserved, sir.
Yeah, man, I really do appreciate it.
Yeah, man, don't worry yourself, man. But Anna, you're my best man, you know. You're best man. You're my second best man. Alright? Look more then, here.
Alright, brother,
Respect.
really?
Yeah,
Take
man.
it easy, yeah, man.
Yeah, man, don't worry yourself,
And
man.
as me say, If anything at all, you can even call me.
Yeah, man,
See
link
me?
my pen already. Alright, cool.
Alright, big brother.
Yeah, man,
Respect.
respect, man.
Yeah, man, so we have to link up more often now, bro. I'm gonna one drink, you know. I don't know, we just make life just get too much
Why?
and just take over everything. We have to get time to link up often enough, I swear.
So them thing they got more while still, you know. Big man thing. But here what? The main reason for that link up is still in Richie. A long time I hear Chad Road, you know, bro.
For real, man.
And today, you know, from we Lily, so we go through primary school, prep school, primary school, high school. And we are still bridging at this time.
True, man.
Boy, a real friendship, this, you know, man.
True, man.
So, I feel like it's only best that you are the best man at my wedding.
Hold on. Where I see, I got married.
Yeah, man, I asked Sharika, man, and she said yes.
Congrats, man. Congrats,
Yeah,
man.
man, then I hit a reason why we there, so I celebrate. I never did really tell you, but I definitely the reason why I'm there call you so right now for celebrate with you, bro. I need you for today. At this point in time in my life we're in, it's a new step, a new venture. I feel like my best friend for share it with me.
Yeah, talk about, brother. Listen, man.
Yeah, man.
Congrats again, man. We are someone anything feeling a support and did it for you. Not did the money, you see me?
Bro.
But you know my thing coming already, marriage and my thing still. But you know, say, me a support you nonetheless. You see it?
Richie, a far a whole heap of things we do, you know, brother. When you plan for settle down, a time now, you know. We not get no younger, you know.
But yo, listen, man. Happy for you. But that no mean say marriage happy everybody. You see me? I have my nice little young, fresh one way I go to school. And I say school, I mean underage, she go to college.
No college she go now.
Yeah, man, she go to college. We are talking about, brother.
Richie, you know, learn from them story. There be history me hear about them college girl, you know. I
Listen.
went to them college girl that done school, you know. I don't you them want, you know.
Listen, man, my one different, bro. My one different. You see me? The way me look for my one is like an investment. An investment, I invest in it, we expect to get reward, which is she done college and we just concept with thing. You see me? So that's I think the man. So don't fret yourself, man. My one different from all of them little college girl. You see it?
Sure, bro.
Yeah, me I tell you, brother. When you see them, you know them in a man. My one different, brother. It's an investment.
Well, you don't know, I support you any which way you do it, you know. But at the end of the day, I feel like time for we settle down in our settings right, you know.
Oh,
Have
yes, sir.
somebody for we look out for we, check for we certain which way. I'm a believe like Sharika is that person for me.
Well, a long time, yeah. She a talk still and
Yeah.
a good girl. So she deserve it.
Yeah, man. I make her a honest woman, man. I make her honest. Make me a honest man in her life, man.
Yeah, man. How they say thing there? So cheers again, brother.
Without a doubt, man. To long life and many more ventures.
All right.
Yeah, brother.
Riri,
Mommy?
come here.
Yes, Mom? I want to look for your face. I want.
I want kind of happy look and sad look. My father sent invitation for me and you.
You go where, England?
Yes, of course. Why not?
So why you mean? Why sad look for now?
Well, me happy saying send the invitation in but you know how much you want ticket? 300,000.
Something like.
For each one of we, that means that the 2 hour ticket are for 600,000. Me no know where me I go get it from.
Not. Where you get the money from? I not have food now. So much less to go buy a ticket for so much money. So make him might send you invitation and he no buy a ticket.
You know, say you're not ungrateful.
Me not ungrateful, but.
And my father and your grandfather, me
So?
glad saying send the invitation come. We must can find the money somewhere or somehow to buy the ticket. Me not saying you know can give one little thing, you know, but even if you not giving none, you know what somebody they wish one friend or one family send an invitation for them wherever part overseas. Right now, me stress out because me no know me I go get that the $600,000 from you know.
So you tell him so you can't find it?
No, me not tell him so. Me not tell him so because me no want thing go vex. Me know his style already. But we can't bother, you know. Look how me send you go to school. You what, 21, they go, you're 21 you know. As when you're 21, September, you must can help and me help and put it together.
So we will get some. I say we will get so much money.
What you mean we? You're a big woman, I'll do your underneath my roof. What to Richie? You're Richie not there, no must can give you money for buy a ticket.
Me and Richie not working.
So me want to go. Okay. Me go up on the bridge.
Me not say me not go ask him. Me go try me look, nothing try, nothing done.
When you did meet him, and me put you together, and me tell us if you go talk to him, me neither they send you to rich nor poor. You reach the age where you have to decide for yourself and choose for yourself.
So mommy, what you want me to do? There rich man where I go treat me bad? Richie is a shine man. Anyways, as when me say, me go call him later and ask him if he can help me with the money. Cause me know him a go do it.
When you did just meet him, you never know say I'm a big old man than you.
But
Eh?
me always a tell say me never attracted to nobody my age.
You talk to him. He ever give any money before?
Yeah.
So, you don't think you can ask him for money for go to England?
Yeah. No, me can't tell him that. He not go do it. Me go tell him say me want to pay my college tuition.
Well, anything, as long as you get the money and you can buy your ticket. Just think about for your ticket, me we think about mine.
Where you get money from?
Don't worry yourself about it. Me a thugs, you know.
Alright.
You can go up on the beach.
Me go see if me can get it now.
No, Riri, don't call him. Go on straight down the to him. Go on down the yard. Right now.
Alright.
You don't want to go up on British Airway, girl?
Of course.
Eh?
Oi. Richie! I'm just left the place open up so.
Oi!
What?
Me I come.
Hurry up, night a come.
Hey, what go on? I think you said you calling me from morning. Now what happen?
Somebody up here that deal with, you know, me got post office today. You don't even know what happened.
What happen?
Me collect some paper where them a say the college tuition want pay. And boy, you know my situation already. So me don't know how that's going to go right now.
You tell your mother about it already?
You know say mommy can't help me. You know that already.
Alright. Hear me about. Never see what I can do to help you with it.
So yeah, so like, you know, really want help me.
No man, I don't know nothing like that man. I'm not.
Sure.
You hear me 100% sure. I just have to just sort out some things and rise up with some money and give sort out it.
Alright, Carb, I really want it before weekend though.
Alright, no rest man. I'll go up on the ball earlier man and sort out it for you.
No, so we can put my face in there, you know.
Alright. Alright, no boss head man, no boss head. So yeah, sleep over.
No, me never prepare for that though.
Alright. But me I cook still, so if you want even eat little before you cut.
Alright, me will eat though my food, but I'm not sure about this sleep up.
Alright.
Go on and come on.
Mr. Vasso.
Hey, what go on? Where you man? Where you up to?
Well, I'm in a little situation. I don't know if you can help me out.
Again? What happened now?
Mr. Vasso, I know you did give me a little advance, but boy, that they did deal with a little thing. So right now, I don't know if you can give me a little help. You know, even just one little loan, you know what I say?
Again, Richie? What? Hold on. Richie. Me give you a loan the other day. You know, don't pay for the loan there. And you really come back and I ask you another loan again on top of that. So what will happen now? Next week you come back with the same thing?
Boy, Mr. Vassal, no man, that not gonna happen man. I lost the one me I come borrow. I just me really know a little tight situation. That's why I really need the money to borrow.
Boy, I'm sorry, no boss, but it things set away now start when me can't go deal with that because I mean this a weekend everybody are come for their money and stuff. When paper, stock, everything people are come for so I can't really help you know because you see this a week a bad even week for me. Because them people are come for their money, me have to pay the stock, them paper, them everything have to pay for. So I can't help you.
Alright, Mr. Vassal, no say alright. But give thanks still, cause I remember say me have that for you, so I sort out it.
Yeah man, I have to sort out it man, because I have to put back here so the thing said.
Alright.
You do something on my telephone now?
Yeah man, me deal with you already.
You finish it?
Alright, yeah man.
Alright, cool then.
Bossy, I go for my lunch break. Yeah, Riri. Where they? Alright, yo, me don't have me yard. Yeah, man, forward and calling me. Alright, me there wait. Wait upon.
But there,
Alright, so I something they ask me for. I come give you.
me thank you still, but how much this?
100,000.
100,000, Richie? This can't go do. I might fat still, cause me not even tell her how much me want.
How much you want?
300.
300. Alright. Alright, 300. 300. Alright. No worry yourself.
That's a problem?
No man, that good man. No worry yourself.
You sure?
100% sure man. No worry yourself. Me go sort it out tomorrow and make you get the balance.
But that's just yourself, you know. If you can't work, you can't work. But me that say I might fuck, cause me never tell you how much me want.
Alright. No worries. No, yo, here man. No worry yourself man. I got you. You good?
Yeah, man, me alright.
So yeah, you chill for your evening?
You want me to stay?
Yeah, come in. You.
Okay.
Oh, go on, Roger.
Ah, yeah, deep general.
Boy, me have good news.
What? Share no man, cause good news seem to be around this place, yeah.
Yeah, man. You don't know what I say. Today I work.
Yeah.
Boss, yeah, show me. A little pre-men say. He will give me me I get a little promotion.
Ready?
Yeah,
That means you're going good then, bro, man.
yeah, man.
Like how you take on to the work, you know, man, you're going, yeah, man, settle in.
But brother, I just one thing, dog.
Bam.
You know I know say the boss I show me say a promotion I go require me for have a vehicle.
What kind of vehicle, Richie?
That, bro, but me have an idea. So here idea, me.
Talk to me, man.
Cause me have a little change, put on one little place, you know.
Yeah.
So me there pre-say, but I want a little makeup on it. So me there wonder if you could just lend me a 200,000 put on the money.
Ooh, Richie. Aye. Boy, this couldn't be more of a bad time, you know, cause remember say, me have the wedding where I come up in and you yourself know say you're a part of this wedding. And it's a God for me to take out that money out of the account right now. Whereas me and mom's joint account, you know. Right now we do everything together, so every movement me make, she have to know about it.
See me, I say, no man, this is an opportunity where me can't pass up, man. And here what the best part about it, you know, money I gonna make. So here what, me I gonna make back in money 200,000 in time to give back towards the wedding. And probably I'll give a little extra money. You see me? So 1, 2, 3 that man. For me get the vehicle in my hand and me can move up and down and do my thing. Take on some new location and thing. Everything all good with bossy, man. You see me? You man, and I'm think about it. Me give a little extra towards the wedding. That can help sort out something to you see it?
Well, that sound good still. I'm not go around in the Richie car. That could help offset a little thing. And the car the wife in there definitely I take a toll per way. But me I think about it because
Bro, listen man.
Listen
man. You not even have to tell moms nothing. You see me? Me know say I'm married, no get married and thing. But what she don't know, now I'm gonna hurt her. You see me? So you don't have to tell her nothing. Just boom, take it out. Let me get it. Me buy a vehicle. Boom, and give back. Simple 1, 3.
Richie, under any other circumstances, nobody can come to me with the argument, you know. I swear to you, you know. I'm going to actually consider it, you know. Because of you, you know, brother.
Yeah, man, you know, so me think different, brother. Me think different with upon a level, you see me?
Alright. I have a little tingling feeling in my head where I said, don't do this again, but Richie, I can't let you down, you're my brother.
Yeah, man, no overthink it, brother. 1, 2, 3.
I'm my brother, so I have to go through with this. Alright, so you say you want 200.
Yeah, man, so just match up it and just ding me on my phone and let me know when me can come
When you say
for
me
it.
can, when you say me go get it back, me go get it back well before the wedding, right?
Brother, listen me, I tell you something, man. You get it back before we done. And as I tell you, me I go put a little thing on it and give you.
Alright. We can do that. We can do that. Yeah, man.
Alright, so those
We can
match
do
up
that.
with me, alright,
We
brother?
can do that. We can do that. We can do that, man.
Alright, yeah, man.
Alright, big bro. Take it easy. Sort it as a matter of fact, I can get on it right away.
Yo, I'm not go too tired, you know. I receive money, me just go and give you for sort out the thing.
Alright.
Yeah, man, I like that, man.
So where you dress up about now? You got work?
Yeah, right, me I go.
So your shirt looks, you could press out the shirt.
That I think. Here money though. Bring on my yard and just see if I can help me tidy up on me. And press a couple of my shirt then put on there, you know, cause sure you not even live with me can't even manage the pressing thing and stuff.
So where key there?
The key and there, man.
Alright, me I go deal with something first and then me go down there.
Alright then.
What
So.
time me I come?
Me not even sure, you know, maybe me do look overtime or something.
Food down there can look about?
Yeah, man, food in the fridge so I can cook.
Alright, babe, so you gonna left me?
Yeah, later.
Later.
Yeah, man.
Oh, for the cost, sis. Riri,
Right.
you know, sis, I spread the bed.
No, but you see up your phone, me know you still have body.
Jesus Christ. So, from you get up from morning and left the bed. I saw you did left, you know, sis, I spread.
Me did go out there, so guess what?
Anyway, where you want?
Shut your eye.
Shut me eye, what could that cost, sis? How Richie come for?
Shut your eye, then me will tell you.
Me no ramp to do it,
You
no, Riri.
know, shut your eye now.
Alright, now shut
Don't
me.
look till me tell you.
Now shut me and I spread the bed.
Look.
I money in car come give you for your tickets. I lie, so how much that now?
Nearest at 200.
Eh?
200 this.
200,000.
Yeah.
And he will give you 100 already. So you have a 3 now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hey.
So me know say my daughter have sense.
You ready, you know?
You not do nothing to get it. Me not laugh. Me serious.
So me not what me fi do, me just ask him and he give me and me tell her say Richie is not a bad guy, but you doubt, you put too much doubt in your mouth, that's why.
Doubt?
Yes.
Me is not Thomas. True me know say any money when me get from any man I don't do nothing to get it. Let me see it. Cause you wicked. Let me see it, man. Cause
You that doubt me.
me not doubt you. It look like all 500,000. I hold that the 200,000 they fat so. Hey!
A big bills.
Then me I go buy the ticket so I make you hold it, me not take away and me I go to England, you know.
Me not just say with you, you know.
What kind of foolishness you chat?
Hmm.
The top chat foolishness. I two we are going ticket off buy. Me just a wait till your grandfather send the paper them come. Cause remember saying me already I look about it. So me think it done. Everything done, you know. Me just a wait to go to post office, go collect it, then we go buy the ticket
Send me
and
tell
left.
you when it a come through.
And you supposed to send off it from yesterday, you know. Cause everything done already.
So we not ready? So me have to go pack my suitcase and things.
Make sure you don't use it. Put it down in your drawer.
Okay.
Ask me we go left you out here.
Yeah. You're mad if me say if I did walk, me have to walk and go for that.
One thing me know they no build no road from Jamaica to England. You have to take a plane.
Babe,
What's up?
we need to talk. We need to talk about the finances as it relates to the wedding, because we can't believe that I take up so much money. That me never expect that.
Nothing wrong with the finances, baby. Everything alright, man.
Nothing is wrong with it, but we need to check the account to see if we have enough money and we're not gonna run broke after.
Oh man, everything, Chris, man. We don't have to do that, all of that. We have enough money, man. Everything good. I saw them things they go, man. But finance is good, man. You don't have to worry about that.
But we still need to talk.
What we need to talk about?
Because we need to check if we have enough money and see what else we need to get together, how much more money we're going to need. What?
Hold this. You know, say me just remember say me forgot link Richie. Just hear what? Don't forget what you did that talk about, you know. Don't forget whatever it is we was talking about. Just don't forget it. I just remember I have to link with Richie about something very, very important. See, as soon as I forward back,
Listen, baby, listen.
I need to go sort it out right now.
So why you need to go over Richie while we have something important to talk about?
No man, but may I tell you so our finances is good. I don't have to worry about that. What is important is what I need to do for Richie right about now.
Listen to me, I try to talk to you about something important.
But I'm telling you, don't worry about the finance, baby girl.
It's fine. When you come back, we'll talk about
Yeah,
it.
exactly
We'll
that.
talk about it when you come back.
No problem, no problem. Richie?
Yo, bro, what up, man?
I did, man. You good?
No, man, where's going on
Ah. There's a little thing happen I want to talk to you upon.
Alright, come here. Let's over here, come in, So you see going on?
So is everything alright?
Yeah, man, everything good, bro.
And in the house, everything alright?
Yeah, man, but we see and chat about it now.
Alright, so I'm not gonna lie to you, it's a very uncomfortable topic. Because I know how far away I come from and all, but you remember that little thing there where we did lend you for doing the local business? I kinda.
Yeah, man, remember it, man. Yeah, man, we see going about that.
Alright, so you don't know me I get married to Sharika. And she said before we tied the knot or anything like that, we have to go through look a financial checkup, background check. And the thing is, I did actually take the money out of it and I never did tell her. And so before she actually go into the bank account go check all of that, Richie, but I love put it back. Because I don't want this to cause no friction between me and my wife to be.
Ah. You know, one little thing that if come true for me start out, but that thing if make I get it, but it still not come true yet. You see me? Because I mean, we pay down for the car this too, and the car if it come true, I mean the car come true, but you know me the mechanicals, a brand new car me buy, so certain little things want done to it, so that are going done. You see me? So me not even officially started the driving part of my work. You see me? So that's why me not really have no money yet to really shoot back in the hand. But me I gotta work on something different to make you get it.
You have a timeline or a time frame as to when that can go on, big brother, because me no want.
When you say she go check your account?
You know, say honestly, at any time now, and me no want when time she go do it, because me want to be upfront and me no want to lie to her.
Alright, so here me go do. Time me don't talk, me go make couple little call and see if me can even call couple of my link them a foreign and try to see if a little thing can show out and make you get it back. Then, God no, mood want this with a dent in my friendship. You see me? So me go do the right thing, man.
Yeah, man, because as me say, as something where if it affect, me no want to mash up my relationship with my girl. And so, I don't decide say, me I go be clear and straight with her. And this is something I do behind her back, because she really don't know.
Alright.
It depends on you, because I really, really want this clear up, and so we can go up on the straight and narrow.
Alright, my brother.
And another thing too, remember say I need to send you the picture of the outfit, the theme and everything where you need for the wedding, right?
Alright, just do the right thing, man. I mean just have everything ready. See?
Alright, we're gonna do that.
Alright.
I don't know in a planning stage. But so respect again for understand what I want and we talk, cool?
Alright, brother.
Cool.
Riri.
Yeah. Me a come.
Can't come in.
That's a mother do what this about.
Alright, come on, more talk.
How happened wrong?
Alright. The money when me did give you for pay your tuition, you not pay yet.
Yeah, me pay, because my mom tells her week by week and me don't want it to pay. I want no.
Alright. Me know one little situation. And me don't know if although you say you pay, you think you could have even ask them back for half of it or something?
How me I go ask them back the tuition money when I already pay? What you mean by what kind of problem you in so that's me have to go ask back people for money? And I hear money you lend me? How what?
Yeah, my money, man, my money. But one little thing come up, one little kind of family emergency, and that the money they were lending you. Me have money still now, but that money they were lending you, they kind of could have put money for deal with sitting still.
Me pay
So,
the money already, so I don't know what kind of foolish you can tell me now about get back money.
alright, no worry about that. You say you pay already, you pay already, but you don't think you could have asked some other for any little thing.
If me Richie, what kind of style that if mother did have money should I pay me tuition would come to you?
Alright, no worry about it. No worry about it.
I don't
For
know what
nothing,
this.
no man, no worry about it, man. Just forget about it. Pretend like somebody never ask you and thing, and maybe try to figure out something.
Anything you say. Nobody come back to me with this type of argument. What you mean give back money?
Alright, no worry about it. No worry about it. Me figure out it. No, man, I just want to emergency, man. I nothing too serious, but me sort out it.
Okay.
Alright? But me we talk, alright?
Alright.
Yes, girl. My father look about paper for me go to England. And me get my money here. Alright, me talk to you later. Now worry yourself. Yeah, man.
So what you hang up on my bones of us?
We talk about that. You sit down right here, so. And my business, you try to listen. You think me not hear every word that come out of the tone of mouth outside? So you take time and screech you go outside and you tell me say man come to you in a yard. And I hope you no plan for game but none of money when did give you towards your school. You understand? Because the money there, you are gonna need it towards your ticket. Me don't get my money already to buy my ticket. You understand?
But you could have fast with and fast good. You know should have come ask me when you come to me for? Come back to me and come tell me boy in a sound like a family business thing can get. I say me pay that money a long time. Boy in a family matters. And I say me nah know if you do with that. Me don't pay money already.
Richie, come borrow money from you.
Say you want back the money when?
Want back which money?
Me tell him say me pay a third can too bright.
Want back money my foot? He mad? Me tell you say he have no money. I broke pocket. He have no money,
So
a broke man.
You want back the money my broke man, ma'am?
He broke. Because you're not supposed to rich and have money and give somebody money and come back and come ask them to lend you it.
Well, that's true. But
How that possible?
Really no one problem for sure.
That not add up none tall. He not no money. Who to telephone some friend him borrow it from our beggy, our thiefy and come give you.
I know me get the money we go England. I don't care. As soon as Papa send me something post office, me gone. Me no business about him.
Me can't wait till the paper drop down and jam down because me well want go because as me reach up so. Me give you one little secret, my love. You see the money when me get in my ticket, I want my friend lend me. So you see as soon as me drop in England is a job me a look. Me have to work back give people the money to give them it back when me come back or send it go give them.
So plan for run off?
Me not run off. I will come back but me I go back because me need for work. You know see how down your hard.
Ah, good, something that.
You know see how down your hard.
For real.
Okay. Anyway, come here, me a chat about in our room, yeah.
Richie,
What going bossy?
you got the phone call at no point in time?
No boss, you know say run this so me no work, run this so me work. So me never bother do run this so.
You know, say, me put up some funds around the front and me hide it because the guys ain't going to come for the money for them paper and stuff and have some bills to pay and me can't find the money.
But bossy, who could also wicked if you really go and they go take your money?
And me ask Virgin, we have some money put on, the money ma come for the supply. We never do now.
Bossy, hear me I say. You remember I same brown youth the way always I tell me say we used to work here with a thief. He come at 2 different times come ask you, you know.
He could ask me?
Yes.
You see him come in?
Well, but to tell the truth, no bossy, me never really I watch him still, you know. But how much chance am missing?
I don't know how much them say. Me tell you say about 100 and a little bit me have in there because all I bill them come put all I money there to pay the man. On this no man, this.
Bossy, me no really know what I go and see, no, to tell the truth, no
How comes
bossy.
money? Me never normally have that the big issue there after that guy gone. So me not understand.
Me no move from around, so boss. I tell you the truth. Me no move from around, so.
No, man. I forgot really looking at this. That's something now.
Alright, bossy.
I say your real name. Listen now, for pass. Where is the picture for?
You know, say when me I do certain things when I like tell people, especially them, there's something that when me I go. Do you not tell people until when you get through?
Yeah, but me have to know because remember me I text, so me have to know exactly what me I use it for. Because every passport have a different specific, so you have to tell me. What now?
I told me know you a long time, you know, me I tell you, me know you're good.
But me have to
Anyway,
know.
my father sort out some documents to me. I want them to go up on it, because I go here England.
You go England?
Yes, me and my daughter, of course. Why not?
Eh.
Plain no make for dog, my love. Me find my money already, you know. You know me like that. You know
Yeah,
find
but
my money.
me know, but I mean England. I enough money if you go England, you know. So you're so lucky.
Well, me not call it luck. I don't believe in luck. I believe in blessings. God provided for me. Me get for me 300,000 already. And my
Eh.
daughter get fear because she meet one man named Richie. Yes, the boy. No, me not call him no boy. A big man, he have money, rich. He have money cause I know any man a look for no woman and give them the amount of money they.
Richie.
Richie, he have money. But guess what me should have do? Me sorry, say me name, make me daughter take her 600,000 fine to pay for all for me ticket too. But make it on, me don't get for me already. First thing care can give her 102,000. Then in care about 200,000. So at 300,000 in care can give me daughter. Me love them the son-in-law there. Because guess what? The 300,000 I go buy her ticket and she go have one little pocket money. You know if you travel on the plane?
Wait there. Wait say want Richie. Rasta Richie. Hold on, no move.
Our home.
Are this a Richie you talk about?
Of course I am. My son-in-law. He have money, rich. He no work for people. And people work for him. That me I tell you.
Hold on there again. Hold on. Let me take it. Hold on. Stay right there. Hold on, no move. Wait there. Let me take a picture first before me say nothing. Alright, so Rasta Richie, rich. And he
Yeah.
get take care of that 102,000 and then him.
I write name him mother game. He
Oh,
name Richie.
alright.
And people call him rich because he always spend money help enough people.
Alright. John. Anyway. Alright, go on that front, go wait. I'm gonna deal with it for you right now.
Alright.
Jesus Christ, seriously?
Okay, bossy, you look so.
Stand up right there, sir. A lunch you come from? Oh, you go buy a big lunch?
No, bossy, I just want to look one fried chicken to buy and thing.
Oh, I think it probably costs 102 grand, no? Eh?
What do you mean by that, bossy?
Listen me. LG come here and beg me to take your hand. See?
Yes, bossy.
You know what thief is?
We are talking about, bossy.
What do you mean we are talking about? Virgin, as a matter of fact right now, I should have called the police.
For what, bossy?
What do you mean for what? You're a thief.
Bossy, how you say a thing like that?
Virgin, are you take my money? Zane, listen to me. You take the money and you go spend the money for young girl. Where you go take flight go England and them stuff there.
England, bossy?
Yes, England.
Where you get that from, bossy?
What do you mean let me get that from? It's a very small world in a youth.
You sure about that, bossy?
What do you mean let me sure about that? Listen to me, man. Yo, listen. Look here. Jesus, why I don't even know. Look how LG come beg me. Beg me to take care of me. You know, at the end of the day, I'm not going to tell them I have one eye open and look on you because I say I don't trust you. There's something about you that I don't trust. And you go take the hard-earned money and go take to go give young girl. You have to fly out. What kind of foolish is that? What am I for do now? Listen, if I never pay LG, man, right now, you know, man, make one phone call and... Anyway, at the end of the day, you know, my essence is stay here. If me not lock you up, you leave. Simple as that. The choice is yours. But you can't stay around me. I better you take the high road now.
Alright, bossy.
Yeah, alright. Go on, man, with the damn tail up under your ass, the damn teeth.
Riri. Riri. Come outside, man. Want to talk to you.
Oh, you call me so aggressive for what?
Come out, man. Want to talk to you. Come on. Come on. Want to talk to you.
What is now? So what they turn up there for?
Right now, you're worse. Yo, you're lucky me never come out more serious than this, you know. You what go on, you know. Me go want back your money when me give you know.
Richie, what is again, Richie?
Yo, listen to me I say. Me get with a full understanding, say, you know. I don't know, college money, you take me money do it, you know. You take me money, buy ticket, figure England, and me go want back my money.
Want back which money? The money where you will give me for we gotta do something. What kind of money you be want back money where you give me?
Me want back my money, man. Me want back my money. You better tell me truth. What make you have to tell me lie?
Tell you what kind of truth. You want to know the truth? You want to know the truth?
What going out here, son?
Him not come to him boy want back money where you give me.
One back which money? You better come out of me yard.
Yo, you know, sir, you're a dirty mother, you know. You're a dirty mother
Stop
because you
fighting
encourage your daughter to take money from me and chat about him buy
Me a
plane
dirty
ticket.
mama. Me a dirty ma. Dirty like a girl them where you did do it before you come get me good, nice, clean data. Look on you too. Look how you tear up and look like a dog. Me up. Come out of me, you drunk crow. You're not easy. After you get me good. Okay. So you come back for money. You ain't get nothing for it.
They have a saying, you know, if you never got fall and shit pan, you know, so this would not happen to me if you never come there with your daughter, you know.
Yes. This is my fault. And if you never come underneath me foul roof, me foul on the shit on you. Me foul? Did you shit on him? You should have shit on him.
Everything good, man. Everything good.
How much money
Everything
you
good,
come
man.
for?
Everything
Hey,
good,
who's
man.
saying you say not even know who you play with? No come back in me yard after you deal with me daughter and give her money you want to take it back. You a dirty man.
nice, mommy.
But me a
Make
dirty
him
mother.
talk.
Come
Well,
go in
now,
there.
Wally.
Next time, and everything you see glitter gold. Next time you see them little dirty man with them little change. Look on you too. Take it from them and run them. Bright.
Well, good afternoon, Miss Francis.
Good day.
What brings you in here today? How can I help you?
Well, I've been having some technical difficulties, so I said I'll come in and see if you can check it for me.
Technical difficulties with your online banking?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Really sorry about that. We have our IT people working on it. We've been getting a lot of problems here and there lately.
Okay. So I've been trying to check my the amount of money that's on my account, but the correct amount is not coming up. I'm not sure why.
Okay. How long you think you've been having the problem now? How long you would say?
Like 2 days.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I know we had something this morning, but I'll look into it and let you know. I'm really sorry about for the
That's okay.
inconvenience. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Oh no. Good, there you go. From what I see here, oh, hold on. Yeah, from what I see here, Ms. Francis, you have an account balance of just a little bit over 100,000.
Excuse me?
A little bit over 101,000 to be exact.
So can you check it again for me, please?
No, Miss Francis, that's actually correct.
No, but can you check it again? Maybe you're
that's
having
correct.
technical difficulties as well.
No, ma'am. As a matter of fact, this withdrawal was done on
What?
a withdrawal, and it was done by, just a second, I got it right here for you. It was done by the one Leon Gordon. It's actually on the account with you. You were not
How
aware
much
of that?
money was taken from the account?
Somewhere over 204,000 to be exact. On August 1st. Wow, right around Dream Weekend. My cousin and them went up there.
You're sure you're not having technical difficulties?
No, ma'am.
And that's correct.
That is absolutely correct.
And you're saying that Leah and my partner drew $200,000 from the account?
That's what it says, isn't it? You were not aware of the withdrawal?
No.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Because I thought I was having technical difficulties all this time.
No, man. Well, that's what happened there on August 1st. You had a withdrawal of 204,000.
Well, thank you for your time. I really do appreciate your time.
Oh, sure. Is there anything else I could
No,
help you
it's
with
okay.
today?
Thank you.
Oh, you have a wonderful day now.
You too.
Thanks for coming.
Okay.
What's up?
We need to talk.
Talk to me now.
You need to sit down and me need to sit down. We need to sit down and talk about this.
Alright.
So,
Alright, give me a second, man. I'll show it to you.
no, that can't stay. That can't stay. Come.
Oh, why are you behaving like this?
So, I came to you and we spoke about the finances and you showed no interest as it relates to what I was trying to talk to you about, right? Somebody decided to do it by my own. So now, wait. No, I would like you to explain this, alright? Why explain this? Why $200,000 missing? The only thing supposed to come out of your mouth are the truth, you know, because I don't have time.
I'm not trying to lie to you. I'm not planning to lie to you any at all. You know what? Alright. I didn't want you to find out like this, to be honest. But I kind of did borrow the money with the intention of putting it back.
You did what?
I borrowed it with the intention of putting it back before anything or before you even found out about
Before
it.
I act stupid, you see? Before I act like I have no sense. You do what?
Just, you know, if you get upset about the situation, babe, I'm very sorry.
Talk to me now because you irritate me. We are in a relationship, right? Everything what you do, I'm supposed to know. Whatever me do, I tell you. So, oh, you go and take 20,000 out of our account when we have a lot of things sorted out right now. We have so much fun. We play what we need for. What is wrong with you? Why you would I do that?
I'm sorry. Shouldn't have done this without consulting with you first. It's just that Richie was in need. Yes, I loaned it to Richie. And
You're lending 200,000 to Richie with the intention to get it back before the wedding. What is wrong with you?
but I was reassured that everything would have been sorted
By
out.
Richie.
Yes.
Okay.
Come on, babes. This is my best friend. And in spite of what you've heard, I'm not that a bad person. But trust and believe that he would have given it back if he never come upon certain circumstances.
Listen to me. It's not about what me hear. It's about the fact that him don't have a job. Him not have a stable job. But why you feel like saying would have make back the money if you give we in time? It's not about you taking it and lending him it, you know. And for the fact that you know in yourself, so we would get it back in time. Obviously.
Alright, so I did lend him the money for sort out one car. Because I did help him get a job, you know. And he must sort out one car because he get a promotion. And the promotion now would have helped him to get some income, which in turn him saying would have given me back the money and even give me something on it as a wedding gift.
Okay.
So I believed in what he was doing. I made it trust.
You believed?
I believe. But in my delay a little bit now, so I'm kind of a little bit worried. And so the time when they see me rush out of the kitchen, go link him, I really that me go talk to him about. Because him did tell me say I go get it back at a specific time and it has passed the time. So I did kind of worried, but I never want to put no stress on you and no more burden seeing as you already overwhelmed by the whole wedding and all of this. I don't want to put no more pressure on you.
And can you imagine how I feel right now? You don't feel like if you come to me and I could talk about it first, this would have happened.
You are correct. I promise I will make better decisions going forward. Please.
I promise you, babe, I am not upset about the fact that you take up the money was supposed to start your wedding and lend your friend. We know not really have a job. And I'm not stable certain if we give back $200,000 we've been a save so hard for. I'm not upset about that. I'm upset about the fact that you go behind my back, you do it secretly, and now we're in a problem.
We're not in any problem, babes. I mean,
Oh, close to wedding day. You can find $200,000? Or you do other stuff for me to know about?
I'm not doing anything.
You're not doing nothing for me to know about?
I promise you, babe, that was the only thing I kept from you, and it was eating me up inside.
This don't make no sense to me. Like, there's so much you could have done and tell me about.
I'm not doing anything, babes. Like, honestly, this was the only thing. I didn't have even sleepless nights. I just worry, say I go find out
You
this
look
way.
quite fine to me. No, listen, if you go tell me lie, because you practically tell me lie now. If you go tell me lie and do things behind my back, me
I'm not lying to you.
don't know if I can go forward with this right now. Yes.
What do you mean?
What you mean by what I mean?
What do you mean go forward? This should not...
Me just need some time. Me feel like me need... You don't understand, you know? You don't understand how you make me feel right now. Me feel betrayed.
I never did anything wrong. I swear.
You don't do anything.
No, that came out wrong. I did something wrong. I know I did something wrong, but it was not with the intentions to hurt you.
Of course not, and I understand what me say go behind my back. There's so much more we can do behind my back what I don't know about.
I swear to God, I'm being clean right now. I'm being honest. I never did anything else, babe. From the get-go, I have been completely honest. I just messed up that one time. And I promise you, it was only that one time. I have no more secrets.
It's just like how you promised me a wedding, and we did forget this done and be happy that you're there. Them say promises are comfort for your foot, to a foot. Do not promise me anything. I need some time. I actually need to clear my head because I really need to think about this. Me I go down and mommy. Yes.
You don't need to. We need to stay together and work this out. You cannot leave. No, it's not the right time. It only gonna drive a wedge between us. Like, we need to stay together. We need to stay together.
Just, I want to clear my head.
Babes. What going, Mr. Vassal?
What man? What going?
Daddy,
There man, I want to hear a beat hard.
they just a try run for come catch you before you lock. Where is she there, please?
Talk about Richie. We are asking about.
Richie, man.
Richie.
Yeah, man, the one who me help get the job, man.
Listen. Me have to fire Richie, you know. That their finger smith and toe smith. You ever know Richie do me?
Jesus. What you mean?
What you mean? Jesus. How kind of thief that you bring come give me, Virgin? Eh?
Richie thief you?
You and him a friend and you don't know say I'm a thief?
No. Pastor, I swear to God. The person who me recommend, I never know thief.
Mr. Man, the man out to put me out of business, man. 3 days sale. The man thief out here. 102,000 when me check it.
Almighty God.
You understand me?
Jesus Christ.
Me get a little check from somebody, you know. Zane? And you know they tell me say, he take him money and do. Eh? You know candidate, eh?
Yes.
The man take him money and give candy young daughter. The little young daughter. How happen? Where you look so?
Oh, I got an instant headache, Mr. Vassal. Oh, God, man.
What happened?
Do you know some lend man 200,000, Mr. Vassal? And I'm a wedding money.
Wait, you do what?
Christ.
You lend him and he thief me 200?
Jesus Christ. Mr. Vassal, no, man. He can't. Why you really have said to me? Wait, man.
Hold on. Back up. You lend him 200,000?
200,000 me lend the man out of my wedding money, Mr. Vassal. And the same wedding where you come take all the picture of them. God,
So
God.
hold on. So
God, me a lap about me here.
he picture money in there too?
Everything gone, Mr. Vassal. Mr. Vassal, the man create one piece of controversy in my yard. Oh, God.
Jesus Christ. How I go on now? Anyway. How I got now?
Mr. Vassal, I don't know what I'm going to do, Mr. Vassal. The man say I go care about the money, come give me, and the money was to fix back things because my wife find out and she move.
Listen.
Me tell him man, but the young girl, me tell him man, you know.
I'm going to tell you this, you know. I could have get that boy locked up, you know. But it's all a good heart because of you.
God,
That is the reason why I didn't call the police. I have to fire him. So how am I going to pay back your money?
Mr. Vass, me want the man about the young girl, you know. Me want a little one, me want him, man. Me tell him, say, if he take sleep, man, that because them young girls, I went and then go through college, when you send them through college, and then come out, they don't want you again.
Where you come to me about college?
Yeah, man, they no college, me no see the man taking money and go.
Listen to me. That the money there. I have to buy plane ticket for go to England. Not college, not in or nothing. How will you get college argument from?
You say, figure where?
At England, the man take the money and go buy ticket, give the girl, we get you for go.
That's Christ.
It's a wicked piece of brother I introduce me to my place in a virgin.
Oh, God, Mr. Vass, me never know. Oh, God. Me want all shit. Jesus Christ, me belly hurt me.
Me lucky do already say better go bush.
Oh,
Because
God,
you bring
Mr.
it come here.
Mr. Vass, me can't take it, no, sir. Oh, God. Every part of me hurt me right now. No, me forgot get up. No, me forgot go run a yard one more time, Mr. Vass. Me forgot go back a yard.
You go on.
Me forgot go back a yard,
Yeah,
Mr. Vass.
man.
Me don't know.
Go on.
Oh, God, Mr. Vass, me so call me link you back.
Me no want you recommend nobody you like him again. Nobody. The man want to put me out of business to right in.
Really, Richie? Really?
I'm in the LG.
Just stop playing dumb, no man. What you mean by what you do? Richie, imagine, me trust you. I'ma give you my money. I'ma give you the money for doing with business, Richie. And you take it and go do different things with it. And it's a friendship, go. You never think me that go find out. Jeez and peace. Richie, if you take the money and can go give woman.
Yo, I would tell her that.
Really? You know, say I don't know your workplace me I come from? Yes. I go down to your workplace. Only if I find out say you don't work there anymore. So Mr. Vassal, why Richie don't work here anymore? Then Richie Vassal sit me down and would have let me know say, seriously big man of them something they go down they go do. You're spoiling my reputation, you're mashing up my credibilities in the streets.
Yo, alright, LG, tell you the truth. Me, you know, say me take your money down there, but me have plan to put it back before Vassal find out. Me just get caught up in one little thing still. Me know I did try warn me about the girl and things still, but me really did love her and me just really did want to help her.
Love, Richie, the girl trick you. Then what you think? You think say I really college she a go? I find out enough to make me know say I foreign the girl plan for run after, you know.
Yeah, me find out to say that.
Jesus Christ.
But bro, me go fix it, man. Me go fix it. As soon as me get to work and start work back some money, me go give back.
You go fix. Richie, my woman find out. She found out said the money missing and she approached me with it. She confront me. And it up right now, me never know which part of my relationship they up there right now. She even move out of the house. She said she not even sure if she want to marry me again.
Bro, me sorry. Me go talk to her, man.
Listen, man, I depend sorry. Richie, you don't even understand the levels of messed up thing what you do right now, you know, brother. I'm a whole life, you turn upside it down, you know, all because me trust you, you know.
Me go talk to your girl for you, man. And see me can fix things.
I know why. Oh, God, I can't believe it. Richie, I write so we sit down, you know, and you reassure me, say, oh, you're going to give me back the money, you know. Before it reach your side, you know.
Bro, me feel bad. Me not lie, me feel bad.
You're supposed to feel bad, Richie. Then how you think me feel? I'm a literal good relationship this mash up now, you know.
Alright, bro, me sorry. As soon as this money, me get a piece of money, me go make the money reach back. See? Me go talk to your girl for you, man. Me go fix things.
No. Listen to me. Stay away from her. No bother with it. Because you done enough damage already. No bother with it because then I'm worse, you're probably gonna make it worse. Listen to me, big man. Leave her out of this. You done cause enough problems, just left it right way there. You see me? Me don't know how you plan to fix this Benny at all. But hear me I say. Big man, the friendship can't go further from here. I just wait there. You do enough, I'ma trust you enough, and you mash it up. And the saying goes like it's saying really I come to fruition, you know. Don't lend where you can't afford to lose. And see it right now, me I lose more than a friendship. Me I lose more than the money. Me I lose my friendship and me I lose my woman in a one go.
I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry.
Boy, Richie, big up yourself, you know, but I hate that. I hate that, brother.
Sharika. Sharika. Sharika.
Who that me run her back?
Give me a minute there.
Where you say?
Give me a minute, no contact me now. I know say you don't really want to talk to nobody, I know, but contact me, man.
Even.
Maybe I wonder if I could just come from and come down and talk to you.
No, as you can see, me just clean the polish and dry go there.
Alright. So here I go on. I come to apologize for the whole situation that happened between you and LG because of my fault. You understand? LG lend me the money where him plan for the wedding out of good heart. You understand? Me done tell him like me really need it for something. Which really in fact are something else me need it for. You know what I say? And him lend me it because him and my friend and me and my friend and him know say him a lend me as a friend. You see me? And me know say him shan't tell you still, but I just one of them things that I come to apologize.
And you coming here gonna make what kind of difference?
It's gonna make a difference for sure. You say, yo, it's not really his fault. You know what I say? It's my fault. You know what I say? It's my fault. And me make all of this up, man. It wasn't good for each other. You know what I say? And we have a good thing going and we wouldn't want to see it mash up because of my own stupidity. You see me?
I really, you him take up so much money. Listen, me don't even want that come off wrong, you know. Because I understand see him a good friend. And as a matter of fact, I would even be upset if he come to me and we talk about it like a couple. But he go behind my back, he go behind my back and lend me all of the money we were supposed to use and now everything just crash. And you are coming me and to tell me what?
Yeah, I come to tell us I really my fault and I really him fault. I don't really blame him for it. I understand him should tell you. But the fact of the matter is, I never tell him the truth. I tell him a lie.
What do you mean by you never tell him the truth?
It's a long story. I just never. When I really want the money for, I tell him something else. You see me? And I work at it to make sure say him get back the money and make sure say everything alright.
You is not the friend who him think he is, because him talk highly of you. You know him look up to you?
I know, but it's just a mistake, man. And that's one of them things that we all make mistakes. We are human beings, and it was just a mistake. I'm willing to repair the friendship that we have and just make everything right. So please, just you don't have to really think about it right now. Just take a minute and make everything soak in and think about it. Alright?
Come out of me, hard. Enough. Come out of me.
What? The nerve.
Oh man, bride look nice too. That's what you want
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What are you doing here, Richie? You have the nerve to turn up here at this point in time.
Seriously? Bro, really and truly. I'm the best friend. I'm just the African show support.
Oh, look, but I understand, say, oh, being real and think about it. You know, say, I should have really just had run you out of this place right about now. Honestly, I should have not tell you for leaving. But I'm going to just make you stay. Unfortunately, you cannot partake in this with her. You cannot use it. Ricky is now the new best man.
Richie, brother?
You left me no choice. Last minute, and the stunt where you pull, come on.
Alright. Again, brother, sorry. And at least me glad to say, see what me can stay there and witness the moment. I'm sorry still. You see me?
This is just one of them things.
And congrats again, brother.
No, man. Alright, bro. Go, man. That was awkward.
What was that all about?
Well, he just wanted to apologize and actually tries to still be supportive.
Richie or something else. Richie or something else.
I told him that he will not be the best man.
Oh, okay.
So he's in the audience. Alright, enough about that. This is our day, this is our moment.
And this is a new episode of Pop the Balloon or Find Yourself a Lover.
Do not come near me.
Have you ever seen me upset?
Once you put her on the show, you're running the risk of if she really meets somebody on the show and the relationship don't work out, it's a possibility that she can blame you.
What do you feel? How do you feel about fish, chicken,
Yeah, fish good, man.
pork?
I will do better. And this is my last one.
Me not trust him none at all.
The dating pool in Jamaica,
It's messy.
it is ridiculous. Are we really in a relationship?
Kenneth, why you act so weird?
It's a new
Missed out, and we're going to start afresh.
You spoiled the dinner.
Go link my brethren, because me I say something must have gone. When me go down there for only to link my brethren, I
you
make
go
me
down
know.
you go down to me. You come to
Oh,
only
link
because
you.
woman,
Yeah.
woman find out about the money. Ready?
Ready, Iron? Action.
Imagine, me go down to the workplace, and you me come link, you know? Only for find out say you don't work.
And if you never come underneath me foul roof, me fall on the shit on you. Me fall, did you shit on him?
But I want to know family
should
when
have
him and
shit.
check him.
You fly off to the relax, man.
We don't cut you out the laugh.
Don't make it that funny. That's funny.
Oh
Me know that's not nice. That's good. We know what we are doing.
God. Yeah, tell me say if you might
Where
turn
should
up
I stay
time.
before come to your house?
No man, may I give you the making come out of me.
And if not for the fact that I have a good wife, or a good wife to be, trust me. I wouldn't have mentioned
No,
this
don't
to you.
mention it. Because there's no way you can mention your wife and not tell about best man.
first.
But she
This is a
really
once
wants
in a
to.
lifetime thing. We
she
might renew
wants
our
to-
vows down the line, but no.
She wants to be a part of it. She wants to
can
do
be a part of
something.
it, but not the baking.
Oh,
Don't be biased. Do not be biased. You know she not go. You know.
you are going to have to break that news.
Me?
Yes.
Why? I know you should come too.
I'm going to.
You're auntie and I'm mine.
You need to tell her, say, I fear auntie.
Yeah, because you have fair auntie Katie.
Oh,
My
okay.
auntie?
Yeah,
Alright.
well, you're auntie, you know, you have to break that to her, you know.
Okay.
Nah, we'll take that well. See, act like a Karen. Alright, Karen.
Right, right.
Me not should not drink rum, because we just feel happy. Ready? Well, my girl is.
What? Woo, the barrel and spin na. All right, me girl. Hold it.
So you say, Adriano, you chill for evening?
Yeah, man.
So, alright, come in, you know.
No, Sam, I can't bother with that, you know, yeah, man. I'm tired. LG.
This is the last scene, right?
No, we never the black shirts here.
You were pastor yesterday. Log on and step one, see your turn.
Make sure they have it there, you know. Good night, behind the scene.
Big up on yourself. Thank you for watching the video to the end. We appreciate the fact that you guys have been continuing to support what we've been doing. All right, so please, when you watch a movie at the end, if you don't know what Pop the Balloon, make sure you find it on the channel and watch it. We did part 1 of it and we're right part 2 already and about to start the filming process of it. But we can't start it without finance, because when you see the movie have certain quality and look a certain way, it simply means that we put out some extra effort in it. We spend some money, we do some little investment. So please, if you don't want to see part 2, please link me up on Instagram, Richard Brown Films. Send a contribution towards getting part 2 done. All right. The other thing too, while filming part 1, the drone battery died and we lost it. It fall at one place, so we not even know where it lost. So we want to buy back a drone. And those beautiful drone footage that we've seen in the movies, we don't have no drone anymore. So please, if you want to contribute in helping us to get back a drone, we are looking at probably around 2,000 US. If you want to help to get back a drone, please reach out to me on Instagram just the same and help me towards buying back a brand new drone. Also, you know, things take time and take time grow. We see where things are get better. We appreciate everything with the fans them at go, you know, but it can be better in terms of if you want to share up the video, if you want to subscribe, if you want to tell a friend, if you tell a friend, you know what I'm saying? And also, if there are creators out there who have a substantial amount of subscribers on the movie or on do any form of content creating, on want to collab, link me up on Instagram. We can discuss what we can do and make some collaboration, because it's been a while since we collaborate with other creators, you know, and that's something we want to do. So link me up, make the link, and make it work. And also, don't forget Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. You know, find him on Instagram if you don't want the product. And if you don't watch the channel already, you don't know what Dr. Jack product is all about. So find him on Instagram and get the product. Big up on yourself. Thank you as always for subscribe and for show support. Boom, I'm out.